I see a lot of small businesses and even some brand who mess up on their posters and ads and pictures and overall packaging of their product, and they wonder why people don't search for their product and why people don't return again and again. It's mostly because your brand isn't being worthy to be remembered, mostly by providing consistent good experience, which you don't. So improve on those things and let's go to the design part. So I'm going to be using Adobe Photoshop for this ad or poster, whatever you want to call it, but you can follow along on any software you want. It doesn't need to be Adobe Photoshop at all. All the tools I'm going to be using will be available on every design software you are going to be using. So start by creating 1350 by 1080 pixel artboard, which will be perfect for Instagram post. And also we are going to be scaling it for square size. And start by placing all the assets you are going to be using for design. In this video I am going to design for honey brand, so all the assets related to honey will be useful. So what are the things that are related to honey? Obviously there is honey bottle, and there are some leaves for naturality, and there are some bees to make it look like it's fresh, and the honeycombs which will attract the eyes of people. I think these things will be enough for the design, so let's start creating. As for the design, you can use copyright free images or you can buy them. It will be even better if you can capture all the things for yourself. If you have a budget, you can do that. If you don't have, you can just use the stock images. It will look even better if you use stock images, so you don't need to worry about that. To make your product not look like it's fake, first thing we are going to add is a shadow. This picture is already well photographed, but we can add some natural shadows to make it look even better. The bottle is already little transparent, so the shadow will be transparent too. And the light will be also reflected on the shadow, so we need to keep that in mind. In the curves, I increase the red value to make the honey look more natural. The better the honey, the red it will get. And I do same for every asset which have honey in it. So I added all the other components naturally in the artboard, so you can arrange them as you like, but don't make any mistakes, that's all. And I also added little glow to the honey bottle which was white before. And then I added blur to the lips to make it look more natural. The lips are behind the subject, so they will be blurred, and all the focus is going to the honey bottle. And then I added similar color to the background and made it look like it's glowing. And after that I used my great copywriting skills, which I have never used, to market this product. And after using some curves and hue saturation, the poster is ready. The main thing is the product photography and the assets you are going to be using. Paint the picture in your head how it's going to look, and then you can start designing your posters or ad. So that way you don't need to spend as much time thinking how to make it. Just watch other inspirational posters and then make your idea and start designing. It looks like short video, but it took me a lot of time adjusting the curves and saturation and highlights. So take your time and make beautiful posters for your brand. And if you need any help, the links will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and for more useful design tips, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next useful video, or you can recommend what type of video you want to see the next. Thank you.